Hey, what's up YouTube? Tony here from Appletize5. Today I'm bringing you a video on unlim tones. If you guys are looking for ringtones and you're tired of paying for them, well, this is an easy solution. All you have to do is go to Cydia and type in unlim tones and it should come up, and it's free. So I'll go ahead and show you guys exactly. You just type in unlim just like that. And as soon as it loads up, it'll give you a list of them, and as you can see here is unlim tones. It's I believe 2 megabytes. I'm not sure. I don't remember how big it is. Or 200 megabytes. 2 megabytes, I think it is. I'm not sure. Anyways, once you download and install this, mine says modify. It's already installed. You'll get this little icon right here. And what you do is you tap on that, and it'll give you a list of all kinds of ringtones. You have the top ringtones, top by genres, top in the USA, your own ringtones if you log into Facebook, SMS alerts, browse, and they're pretty easy. You can even make your own. So what you want to do is you want to type in whatever you're looking for. So I got a song called Mercy. And you'll get a list of artists, and what you want to do is you want to look for the person who sings Mercy, and is Kanye West. So here you have a play button, you can play it, and here you have variations. You can change them, you can make them, it's like certain cuts of the songs. So I'll play it.
Okay.
So this is a pop-up. So you'll get certain variations, certain cuts of the songs. So I'm not going to play them for copyright, but you do get the idea. And so once you do that, let's say I want the 16.12 seconds, all you have to do is close out of here and then add to my ringtones. And once the wheel's done spinning, it's already done. So now what you do is you go back to your settings, and you should already know this. Go to sounds, and here you will see ringtones, and this is the one I currently have on set to, and here's the one I just downloaded, which is Mercy. I'm not going to play it, but it's already there. All you have to do is press the cloud, and it'll automatically download it to your ringtone settings. And that's about it. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. If you like this ringtone application, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.